Tonight we're zooming in on NGC 4051, an intermediate spiral galaxy in the Ursa major cluster of galaxies. Credit for its discovery on the 6th February day of 1788 is awarded to astronomer Sir William Herschel. It was also observed by his son John Herschel on 17 March 1828. The anniversary of this galaxy's discovery could prompt a review of its characteristics and the way in which galaxies are now classified. As an intermediate spiral galaxy, NGC 4051 is in a classification between those spiral galaxies that are barred and those that are not. The current galactic morphological or shape-based classification scheme actually began with Edwin Hubble's 1926 paper, when these were still being referred to as nebula. His breakout of extragalactic nebula into ellipticals, lenticulars, spirals, and irregulars would soon be turned into the tuning fork diagram, with S for normal spiral and SB for barred spiral, and letters from A to C assigned to rate the tightness of the spiral arms. In 1959, astronomer Gerard de Vaucouleurs argued that Hubble's initial scheme was insufficient to classify the full range of galaxy shapes. He argued that both rings and lenses were important structural features of spiral galaxies. A new scheme emerged with unbarred spirals designated as SA, barred as SB, and intermediate as SAB. A lowercase letter s would denote those galaxies without rings, and the letter R would denote those with rings. So-called transition galaxies were given the designation RS. More precisely, then, tonight's galaxy, NGC 4051, is now designated by the symbol you see displayed on the screen. In comparison, NGC 488 is designated as SARB for its non-barred ringiness. The other key instructional point for this anniversary is that NGC 4051 is a Type 1 Seyfert galaxy containing a supermassive black hole of 1.73 million solar masses. Seyfert galaxies are active galaxies, which means that they have an active galactic nucleus, or AGN. These are the dense regions at galactic center with higher than normal brightness over some portion of the EM spectrum and not associated with stars. This brightness could be observed in radio, microwave, infrared, visual, ultraviolet, X-ray, or gamma-ray wavebands. Examples of Type 1 Seyfert galaxies include